Behold, the mighty tree of our tiny Python empire. Here's our app folder with code, a sneaky little database hiding inside data, a Dockerfile ready to cause trouble, and a folder for volumes. It's small, but it's dangerous. This is our main FastAPI app. Nothing fancy. It says hello, it lists some items, and if you're nice to it, it even saves your fruit collection. No React, just pure Python happiness. Behind every simple app hides a suspicious database file. SQLite is our tiny but loyal sidekick. We connect, we create a table, and boom, we have persistence. Like a bouncer at the club, .dockerignore keeps unwanted guests out of our Docker image. No Chwessy PyCache, no .git, no secrets, just good vibes. The Dockerfile. This is where innocent Python code becomes a serious containerized adult. Let's break it down, line by line. We start with a lightweight Python image line because nobody likes bloated containers. In the builder stage, we collect all Python dependencies into wheels. Think of it like meal prep, but for code. Now we use the builder as the base for the runtime. Lean, clean, and ready to roll. No buffering, because we want instant logs, and a new user because root is overrated. Create a cozy home for the app in the data folder. Everyone deserves a little comfort. Install everything from the wheels and toss the leftovers. We like our images slim. Bring the code in, give it to our non-root user. No admin privileges, no drama. Expose the port, start the server, cross fingers, and hope it works. Time to bake our code into a beautiful Docker image. No cache because we live dangerously. Dash to pyapp : prod. Dash, that's the name of our newborn baby image. No containers yet. Empty like my fridge at 3 a.m. But not for long. We're about to bring our app to life inside a shiny container. And yes, I'll explain what every little flag here means. Because we're not just copy-pasting commands like robots. Docker run. Start a container from an image. Basically, press the big red on button. -D detached. Run it in the background. Because we don't want the terminal to cry for attention all day. -- name. pyapp -- quote. Give your container a cute name so you don't end up talking to container _2 B49 F8A12 at 3 a.m. quote -P8000 :8000 expose port 8000 from the container to port 8000 on your machine. Think of it like opening a tiny door between Docker World and your browser. -VE mount this local folder into the container's /data directory. pyapp : prod. This is the name of the image we built earlier. Like choosing which spaceship to launch, and just like that, it's alive. Our FastAPI app is running inside a container with a volume keeping our precious data safe. I'm proud. Like a parent watching their kid ride a bike for the first time. Drumroll, please. Let's check if our masterpiece actually works. Open localhost : 8000. Boom. FastAPI says hello. Ladies and gentlemen, we did it. A Python app wrapped in a shiny Docker container with a volume to protect our precious data. No magic, no tears, just clean code and a little bit of Docker love. If this was your first time, Congrats, you've officially leveled up in DevOps.